this small tutorial, we'll learn how to color wavy hair in a way that is nice, warm, and lively. So, pay attention here. After adding the base color, we start with the shadows of the hair. And it's not like how we treat the shadows or the flaws of clothes. That's because hair has that unique shape and texture. So we have to do this step very carefully, by following the flow of it and paying attention to the source of light as well. Note that the shadows will fade away if it's sunlight or natural light, and it will appear a bit sharper if it's artificial light. My character's hair is so fluffy and wavy, so there is a lot to shade. After I put the base or mid-tone shadow, I'll put the core shadow. This type of hair isn't a full sphere, so the place of the core shadow is a bit different. I thought of adding violet to it, because my character is in a nice greeny field at sunset, so to make the drawing more lively and connected to each other, I decided to add a lot of violet on the side that isn't facing the sun, and on the side facing it, I decided to put a warm red shade. Then I added some pink here and there to fade away the sharpness and add some sort of an extra warm feeling, and that is what I'm going for. Then I started with the highlights and I made them so soft and fadey. And that is it. I'm satisfied with how it turned out. So nice and feels so warm and full of life. At this point, I just want to ask what she's using for her hair. Anyways, thank you for watching. Drawing this piece was so much fun because it has really been so long since I last drew my OC, Emma. The finished piece will be in my Instagram. I'll see you next time. See ya!